Posted one of what?
Videos. Making videos. I post them on my YouTube channel.
All right, we just got here. I'm going to narrate this. Gary's putting up the flag. There's the where the fire will eventually be. Here's the front porch. It's covered up here. There's the door. There's the stuff we got to unload. Side view. Parking spot. Hey, Gary says no trespassing. We got to leave. That's the back of it. We're going to leave tomorrow. He says. Window. There's an outhouse behind that rock over there. Got a ladder. Stove. So they added this bunk room. He's still got the flag going. Ain't that pretty? You like corn? Then we got this is the kitchen. Got electricity in here, solar stuff. Stove, a couple easy chairs, hunting stuff, potato cannon, pantry. Bigfoot's been up here. Anyway, in the bunk room, he said there's a light on this thing, so you hit this bottom switch, turns a light on in here, so that makes it better. Couple bunk beds. That came from my house, one of the right wagon wheels, long ago. So this was an add-on to the thing. See the insulation on it? They've done a good job of keeping it warm in here. Anyway, basic Bucks knob thing. They did this. The carpet was stinky in here last time I was up here. So there you have it.
Said, did you find everything you need? I said, the only thing I came in for was some taters. She said, oh, you gonna make some potatoes? I went, no, I'm gonna shoot them out of my tater gun. And she looked at me and went, well, that sounds like fun. That was tight like a tiger. They made them shoot that.
I'm going to put this out on my MySpace page.
A lot of changes. That's good.
Straight up and see when it hits.
Yeah. It's gone. It went out of sight. I watched it.
I thought you were going to go straight up.
You want to do it?
There it was.
11 seconds.
Flight time.
What?
11 seconds of flight time. Okay.
What? What?
Okay. You gotta aim up, Pappy.
There's the moon.
1, 2, 3.
Did you get the flame?
I don't know. I don't think.
Making you breakfast.
that the good china? That's the everyday, isn't it?
This is the everyday china.
Yeah, that's something to put my taters in.